Trade recap from today. So today I took one trade and it was one W. You can see from the title it's a $697 trade on the new account. Let's see. So yeah, just took one trade, nothing else. So that's a nice start of this account. And then yeah, I made a video of course from or yesterday, which was basically the account blown. You can see it here, and I ended the video of taking a profit of like $1,000, which is crazy. But yeah, I just blew it after like just full boarded it after. Like I wasn't. I think still if you have it on top step, if you like reach the max drawdown, which I was in max drawdown, I was like down $200, even below my max drawdown. But I was still in a trade. Like I think you still get an email from TopStep saying, "Hey, you blow the account." Like, yeah, we're not gonna give it to you, of course. I think that will be the case, or that should, or yeah, would be the case. But yeah, just blew that. Yeah, with the emotions today, like going into today, I didn't really feel anything. With yeah, yesterday or the account is not affecting my trading today, which is really nice. I am thinking about like still it sucks of course that account, but I just don't try to think about it too much, and it's not affecting my performance, so that's a really good thing. But yeah, going into the start today, talking about trade. Yeah, I just want to leave that account behind me. Like it's not that it's that big of a deal, but like yeah, that account's closed. That's fine. Gonna go to the next one. Yeah. But yeah, the trade from today is I was actually looking for long, so going into market open, it was bearish for me because we closed below. We have busy here, another one here, and then yeah, on a 2 hour, so we closed below here, and then same on ES. So ES also had a singular gap, which is on the 4 hour, I think. Yeah, so a really small gap here where we closed below. So both closed below an NQ on a 2 hour here, and then yes on this here. Now that told me okay, I should be looking for shorts until the low here. But then 10 a.m. that changed. 10 a.m. candle opened, which is this candle, and by the time we already took the high, so we did an S&T at the low, so it's still bearish. But once we took it out on ES or on NQ as well, I don't know what took it out earlier, then I was bullish again. So from there, just looking for longs. I was on the charts, the AM session, PM session, AM session. We had a really nice push, as you can see, but there was no entry at all for me. So I was trading the AM session, but there were just no entries. So just pushing higher, no entries at all. And then this is, I had multiple targets, which is, let's see, which I had this high from Wednesday. So that's from yesterday. I had that marked out, which got taken right away at like 10 a.m. And then I had this high marked out, which is Friday from last week, which is here on yes. And then I also had another target, which is then Friday from 3 weeks ago, which is here, and here on yes, which didn't get taken yet. So that was my target, and eventually we got there. That was also my TP, so that was a really nice trade. Yeah, going into the PM session, was back on the charts 13.15. It's right here. We had a busy here, another one here. On NQ, we didn't have a singular one, so we had two. So that would be, oh, we did have a singular one. No, we didn't. Okay, so we had a busy here, another one here. 1 hour, we didn't have anything here, or we had a singular one there. Okay, so could mark that one out. But I didn't because I know on yes we are inside of this singular gap. So busy here, another one here. 30 minutes, swing low, swing high, we have a singular one, or no, 30 minute, 1 hour, I think, yeah. So swing low to swing high, we have a singular one right here. So looking in that for longs, and I thought that was just going to be the session, like no trades for me this entire day. Like you can see, we printed the low of the day here, and they just slowly pushed higher. Had some crazy candles here as well because Trump was speaking at the time. That came in later on Forex Factory. Let's see if my screen is actually recording. Hopefully it is. But yeah, Trump was speaking today also. So you can see those wicks there. That I think that got caused by Trump. Yeah, and you can see the price just climbed higher. We didn't have any entries. I was waiting for a bit more structures like so, and then have some sort of inversion, and then for that looking for longs. But yeah, we did create the structure, but we didn't create the inversion. Same here, took out liquidity, but didn't have an inversion. And then finally here, we didn't take equal lows, but still was an entry because we are above second stage distribution. When we are above second stage distribution, I can be looking for an entry, either a fail to close below as like a sweep, so here, or an SMT. And in here on yes, we had both. I don't know yet if that makes it stronger. Maybe I should look at the data, but it is already a valid trade. This is already really strong, I think, with like the SMTs for me. Like I really like these trades. These are always really quick, but you can see that's my entry. Break even was already here and then got nowhere to break even. Or my first TP was actually here. And you can see we're really close to like getting me at break even. My break even was here, so it was really close. Almost a really unfortunate trade. But yeah, hit the 1 and 2 or a 2.21 RR here. And then I had the 3.5 RR TP right here, which is actually kind of unfortunate as well. This barely didn't get hit, otherwise that would be $100 more than I have now, which like I'm not complaining, of course. But yeah, I was entered on this trade on 1447, so with that I can hold until 1530. So you can see 1530 is right here. So once 1530 candle opens, I close it right there. And I literally took it off. We're literally at the top right there, with the candle closing right there. So 1529 and 1530. You can see we had a big drop lower, or big drop, we have a small push lower, and then eventually we did go higher, and now we're just consolidating. But yeah, it was a really nice day today. I really hope that I was recording that screen there. But yeah, it was a really nice day. Nice start of the account, and yeah, nothing really else to talk about here. Yeah, with the emotions, how I felt this day, I was kind of feeling like, wow, does this happen to me again? No way that this happens again. Like, why? How? TP was literally here, and then almost stopped the break even, and I thought maybe, yeah, well, just not TP at all. Like ES wasn't close at the target at all, so we didn't take out the liquidity, just almost stopped me out. So I was thinking like, wow, no way that this actually happens, not again, but that this actually happens. Like, how insane is that? Just yeah, but yeah, I did get a trade eventually, and then this is unfortunate as well, 3.5 RR, which is my full TP. The tree takes off, or I don't know, but yeah, still a really nice trade. Could have been $100 more, but yeah, I'm not gonna complain about that. Yeah, that's a trade recap. We'll be trading tomorrow again. Tomorrow will be Friday, and should be a nice trading day as well with the news that we have. And I think just looking from now where we are, it looks like we want to go to all-time highs, which is a good thing, or which is, yeah, I think it looks good. So all-time highs is here, and then for ES, all-time highs is this Friday high that we just took out, so we do have an SMT, but I still think we want to go higher. But Asia session and London session has to print tonight, so we'll see what actually happens. And yeah, that'll be a trade recap, and thank you for watching. See you.